gold has seen a good drop as expected, breaking below the critical support levels at 1891 and 1920 levels. So as I said, 1920 was a very good support which it has breached, and then it has breached the 1890 support levels also, trading and achieving 1871. Now what is going to happen next week? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the trading behavior of gold next week, and at the end I will conclude and summarize and give you the trading levels for next week where you can enter in gold and make good profits. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can also watch my other weekly analysis and daily analysis for gold twice a day as well by pressing the bell icon. I do share my analysis on silver also, along with crude oil and natural gas, and indices including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Germany 40, FTSE 100 and Nifty as well. So press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now look at the weekly charts for gold. See what it has done, lower highs, and also on the weekly charts one more observation is the double top here. So double top is formed. Now it has seen a high, consolidated here, breakout, double top is done. A lower second high is done at 2000 levels, now trading with a drop here. Now what is going to happen? Now look at this near term time frame chart. It is broke out below 1920 levels, which I said it is going to be a stronger support, and breaking 1920 levels, we have seen a good fall here. Now the support level. So if you see it trading below 1891 first, one can go short. One can expect how far this could go. It can try to come back till towards 1865, 1860 zone. This zone is going to be a fairly strong support, and then 1847 and 1836 will come into picture. We have seen earlier these levels providing it a very strong support. So if you see it trading consistently and trading below 1891, one can go short. One can expect a sharper drop this time, and one can expect that it may try to come back till towards 1840 levels next week. And in fact, if it continues to drop, we may see gold achieving 1800 again. So I'll be cautious with that. Now this is just on the weekly charts. Yes, there is a clear cut resistance at 1950 and 2000 levels. And if you look at the daily candle here, see on the daily charts, couple of observations to make. We have seen 1920 providing a very strong support for gold. Lower highs, this was the retracement, and it has breached this zone very sharply with a sharp strong drop. Now look at the last two candles here. Last two candles, the bulls failed to take the control here, indicating that probably it may try to rise a bit again towards 1910, and from there it may try to fall again. 1891 is the level. Below 1891 we can expect a sharper red candle in gold, and this is also part of a retracement, minor retracement. And now if you see it trading below this zone at 1891, yes, you can expect that it may drop sharply, drop nicely. The target is going to be 1860, and below that one can expect see below 1860 one can expect this time it achieving 1847, 1836 levels, and beyond that a sharper fall can be expected. Now this is just on the daily charts. Now let's come back to the monthly candle. See on the monthly candle, one observation, lower lows, lower highs. So even if it tries to break, it may try to get a little support here at 1860 and 1840 zone. This zone is going to remain very important. First, it may try to come back till towards 1840, 1836 levels, which are going to remain a fairly strong support zone. And if it breaks this, how far this could come? Now see this. Even if it breaks, it can try to come back till towards the zone at 1836, and breaking this we may see a sharper fall. On the upside, there is going to be a fairly strong resistance at 1980. Only if it breaks 1980, and yes, we can say that it is going to trade bullish. Else we may see gold dropping again in the month of May, where the first support and immediate support at 1840, 1836 zone will come into picture. This is going to remain a very strong support for gold for any downside move, and if it breaks this, one can expect that it is going to hit 1800, and below 1800 one can expect that 18 1800 definitely should provide a support. Below that one can expect 1760 and below levels in the month of May itself. So only bearishness is below 1836 1840 levels, below which one can expect 1800 levels also. But this is just on the candlestick charts, and does the indicators also providing the same indication? Let's have a look and try to find out what does the indicators are indicating here. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it is very clear that 1920 to 1940, this zone is going to remain a hurdle for gold next complete month. Only if it trades above 1940, 1945, one can expect that there is going to be a stronger rise. At the same, see, this is the 20 and 50 period moving average coming together here, and this is the 100 period moving average, which is giving it a support at around 1890 levels, 1895 levels. And only if it breaks this below 100 period moving average also, one can expect that it is going to act sharply bearish. First support at 1880, then below that one can expect 1860 1836 levels, which might provide a very strong support, and below that a drop can be expected. However, look at the stochastic. The stochastic is oversold here, and once it is oversold, it is looking upwards. Probably we may see sharper rise and couple of green candles, which might try to take it towards 1920 1940 zone, and beyond that it will try to fly. Only if it breaks 1940, one can expect that there is going to remain a sharper rise. Now look at the daily stochastic trying to converge from here. So if it crosses over and a bullish crossover takes place, we may see a little rise on gold. That is also very much possible. RSI not showing any signs, but near to oversold, and hence a little rise can be expected. And if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly candle, you will find that there is a stronger support for gold till here at 1880 levels, and then 1850 1836. This zone is very important for gold to sustain above these levels. A weekly stochastic has comfort zones, and the MACD is trying to cross over. Once it crosses over on the weekly charts, we may see a stronger drop in gold. Despite a retracement, it will still continue to trade bearish even if it crosses on the uh, sell side. Now on the monthly chart, the story is opposite. On the monthly chart, it is trying to take a bullish crossover and enter into buy zone. It is right now in sell mode. RSI, stochastic not showing any signs, and there is a clear cut support at 1800 and 1840 levels. This is very much clear. Considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next. Now to summarize our analysis, and let me give you the trading levels, the entries and the exits, and the take profits as well. Before that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And yes, you can first invest in your learning and then try to get the profit from the market. You can learn from anywhere, and yes, if you want to learn from me, my next mentorship batch is starting on 9th of May. Be the part, be the learn the strategies taught, and definitely it will help you become a proficient and efficient trader. And yes, you can also be part of my VIP signals group, where just by trading as per the signals shared, you can definitely profit. Now look at this, the levels to go long. See, first of all, I will recommend you to go long above 1904.5. If you see gold trading above 1904.5, one can expect 1910, which is going to remain a stronger support resistance on the upside. Then 1915, 1922, these two levels are going to remain a fairly strong resistance zone. Beyond that, one can expect 1927 and 1935, 1940. Till here it is fine, but if it breaks 1940, I will directly expect it to hit 1960 and then 1980 zone. For the month of May, it can try to achieve 1980. However, it has to drop a bit, as it has broken the sustained levels at 1920, and these levels are now going to provide a very strong resistance for any upside move, breaking beyond which, yes, it has still got a little room. However, it may trade in bearish zone, and towards the end of the week we may see a little drop there. And yes, if you want to go short, I will recommend you to go short only at 1891. Once you see it trading below 1891, the next target is directly 1880, 1872, then it will try to hit 1860. After that, directly landing towards 1836 levels and breaking this zone. Nobody will stop it till 1800. This is going to remain a fairly strong support zone. Anyways, below 1836 there is a stronger drop which can be expected in the month of May, where we may see it going till towards 1760 and 1700 levels also. So we have to trade with caution when we have to keep our expectations accordingly. Never try to don't trade without a stop loss, and everywhere whenever you enter, every time you have to shift your stop loss to cost. Let it get killed. Even if you fail, you will not lose your capital, and that is what is more important in trading, preserving the capital. So yes, you can preserve your capital by just shifting your stop loss to cost. For this entry, this is the stop loss. For this entry, this is the stop loss. And once you see it trading at 1880, keep your stop loss at 1891. Once you see it at 1872, keep your stop loss at 1880. Let it get closed, reap the profits, and if you are convinced again that yes, it may rise, you can go long again. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Reach out to for any of your trading or trading related queries. My email ID and telegram ID are mentioned in the channel description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.